What's the meaning of amok? Amok. 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 Amok.
The term amok refers to a state of uncontrollable frenzy or madness, often resulting in violent behavior. The word has its origins in the Malay language and was traditionally associated with a specific type of attack, known as running amok, where an individual would charge aggressively at bystanders with a weapon. This phenomenon is no longer restricted to any particular culture or region and can manifest in various forms, such as mass shootings or acts of terrorism. Overall, the term amok describes a frightening and dangerous state that can have devastating consequences.